been busy. Stay tuned to this video, see what I've been doing. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. My name is Jeff, ArizonaHotHomestead, and I have been busy. So you've already seen some of the work, but let me just kind of give you a recap, kind of just bring you up to speed, because to be honest with you, in doing these videos, we've been trying to focus on the room here, and I was trying to meet a deadline with the rain and some people that were up here only for a limited time, and we didn't get as much done as we were hoping for, but we got something done. So let me just give you an up-to-date on what I've got, and then I'll kind of go into videos later and a little bit more detail on how I've done some. So let's just take a look at what we've done. The view from one side, we got a rafter coming out here. That's actually a fascia board. Then I'm going to have another one coming out each one of these along here. I got a bracket right there already started, a hanger. I'm going to have some more coming out here. So this will be extended another 4 feet like it is over there. And we're going to do some more stuff to this. So there's going to be a door cut out here, a window cut out there. Got some reusable 2x right here. With the glare, let's see how the stuff's coming out here. I got a window in, that's a 4x6 window. I've got some of the sheeting already on here. I'm going to obviously put another one up above, and then I'm going to put some T111 on there. Here's some of the 2x10s. These are 20 feet long. This here is the mud room. I still have to do the mud room. Put up the walls and the floor. And then that's actually got to get extended out another 3 feet or so. So the mud room will have an overhang. I've got some of my OSB and CDX plywood all covered up. The stack here is nothing but plywood, folks. It's all 7/16 OSB. I've got these in the ground ready to go, so I can put some 4x4s on them. And then what I'll have is a 4x6 along here on the edge. It'll be mainly for decoration. There's my T111 and some 4x4s and 4x6s in there. What you see over here is this is all came from the floor, or this here is all part of the room that I had, that temporary room I built. That's all. That stuff there is full of nails, so that's why it's over here, because I got to pull out those nails. I don't want to have, I'm trying to limit the nails that in the construction zone end up laying everywhere. Here we've got the roof. I've got my tar paper on this. I don't have the metal roofing here yet because we're going to extend this out some more. So a piece has got to slide underneath. This wood here is just to keep the wind from ripping this apart. It's already did a good job on it right there. So hopefully that patchwork will work. I got a skylight that I'm putting in, and then we'll be blending, and I'll show this later on. We'll be blending this metal right up into that barn roof there, and it's going to look absolutely perfect what I do. So you'll see that when that happens. There's some of that flashing tape I use on all the seams. If you notice, my roofing paper has started to curl up for two reasons. One, it's windy out, and two, when it dries out a little bit, it's curls up. And yes, this is a slope. It's on the same slope as this VersaTube. And this here, as you can tell, goes up inside it. And then when I go to put the screws back on, then it will really put a pretty nice seal along there. Plus there's another one of these ribs here on the other side, so if water were to even get underneath it, it's not going to go anywhere. Kind of bent it a little bit right there when we were working on it, but we'll just put some caulking on it and bend it back down. And I'll show you guys later too about that Skylight, how I've done that. So we've done quite a bit here, a lot of work to do. These videos are not going to be in any particular order, so kind of forgive me, but that brings you up to date on what I've got going on. You'll have to stay tuned kind of to catch all the action totally. And then I'll do up a playlist too at the you know, with all the videos that I have of it, and try to put it all together, kind of make sense of it at a later date. But right now that's what I got. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to do that subscribe button if you haven't already. Appreciate it if you share the video, and even make some comments if you wish. And my name is Jeff, and you've been watching Arizona Hot Homestead. See you, bye, have fun. Woo!